Welcome once again to the sewing workshop. Today I want to show you guys something very important. This outfit you're seeing right here is quite a simple outfit. It looks a little bit like a shirt, like a button down shirt, but it is not. It's a traditional outfit. So what I want to show you is a little bit pertaining to shirt making. If you're making a shirt and you don't know how to hem the edges of your shirt after the sewing, sometimes this hemming of this part, there's a particular machine in which they use for hemming that will just turn it upside down, a footer that will just hem it and weave it underneath also. But if you are sewing it with a straight machine, a straight stitch machine, I will show you how to do it so that you will not be having all those fold and wrinkle when you sew it. So I will take you guys to the machine now, and I'm going to show you how to sew the hem of your shirt, either your shirt or you're sewing it like this. But anything that has a cuff like this, I'll show you how to stitch the hem with a straight machine. So let's go straight to the sewing machine now, and let's do that. So right now I'll be starting from this part. As you can see, this is the hem side. As you can see, this place here, I'll be folding this inside. When you're sewing the shirt, you don't need to weave the edges because you're just going to turn it up, like turn up stitch. So this is how you're going to fold it. Just fold it a little bit inside. Make sure this thing that you fold right here is what you'll be folding all through the side. So when you fold it here, you start your stitch from these edges right here. But what I want you to pay close attention to is, the more you're going, you make sure you're releasing this upper part. You make sure you're dropping this one so that it will not be holding it and it will not be giving you that guidance. So let's do it right now. I'll just place it on the machine. Okay, let me do it like this better. I'll just place it inside. Place your machine. After your first stitch, you do your reverse. Right here, the moment you start this stitch at this point, make sure you are releasing this hand from here. Make sure you're releasing it so that it will not be what I mean is, you will not be dragging this outfit, you will not be dragging the clothes. You just fold it and just let it be. Fold it, don't drag it, just let it be. Just use your hand to control it and make sure you're stitching at the edge. Keep doing the same thing. Make sure you are not folding more than the initial fold. Get here. Make sure your hand is straight. You don't need to drag it. Many people have this problem when sewing shirts. Even when I just started, I had the same problem until I was told and I was shown how to do it. But if you have the machine for shirt hemming, you won't be having this problem at all. Just make sure your hand is straight with what you're doing. It's quite simple. So when you get to the edge right here, when you get to this end part, make sure you use this one to measure this one. Then you're going to fold in what you're supposed to fold in. Make sure it doesn't go beyond it. Okay, the moment you get that, just fold it in and continue your stitch. So after you're done with the stitches, can you see? After you're done, all you have to do is just to take it to the ironing table and iron those parts. Iron it very well. So after you're done with the sewing of the hem, as you can see, can you see that? I'll just sprinkle a little bit of water on those edges, or if you have water in your iron, you can just put it, then take your time to give it a thorough iron. After a good ironing, you'll see that it will be very, very balanced. Can you see that? Just turn it back also. Run it.